Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the game is updated and stable, because drop pools change with patches. Next, focus on gathering currency. Collect rare tickets, 100 plus cat food, and stamina to grind event stages. Once you have resources, open the rare capsule screen and check the current banner or limited event that lists Castaway cat. Do this immediately so you can spend tickets while the pool is active, and prepare to farm tokens or stages that increase your ticket supply. Once you're ready, prioritize guaranteed multi-rolls or discounted packages to maximize value, because they often include a higher chance or guarantee rare drops. If Castaway cat appears on a rate-up banner, spend tickets there and avoid pulling on generic pools. While pulling, continue farming the relevant event stages that drop bonus tickets and sometimes increase rate-up odds. Remember, steady farming and targeted pulls beat random spending. Pace yourself and watch for time-limited campaigns that stack with your pulls. To finish, if you obtained Castaway cat, level and upgrade it using cat fruit and experience stages immediately because power scales fast. If you didn't get it, don't panic. Save tickets for the next guaranteed or rate-up banner. Game banners rotate. As a last resort, reroll a fresh account before heavy progression if you want an early drop, but weigh that cost. Troubleshooting. If pulls glitch or the banner shows wrong info, clear cache, reinstall, and contact support with screenshots and timestamps for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.